Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal, for those who don't know me. In this video I'm gonna show you how I make turkey step by step. I hope you will enjoy the tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Shall we begin? And before I start cooking, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you and to your family. This is a 15 pounds turkey. And the ingredient I have this is orange, carrots, celery, onions, black pepper, country rock butter, and have seasoned salt, Lawry Salt, oregano, parsley. That's pretty much what I use to bake my turkey for Thanksgiving. I'm using 7 stalk of the celery. What I do is I chop them into small pieces. To be able to finish the turkey, hopefully. So this one is a big carrot, a long carrot, one long carrot right here, and I just cut it into 3. Now I do the same thing with this carrot. I cut it into small cubes, just like the celery. So we got all the cutting to do: orange, carrots, onions, and cilantro. Not cilantro, celeries. All of this will go inside the turkey. Right now I am going to prepare for the dry rub. One tablespoon of Lawry Salt seasoned. 2 tablespoons. This is garlic salt. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons garlic salt. One tablespoon black pepper powder. This is oregano. 1 tablespoon. parsley, 1 tablespoon. So I mixed the dry rub. You need something? Go ahead. Go ahead. 1 tablespoon of butter. 2 tablespoons and 3 tablespoons butter. The full size, so it's about 4 tablespoons of butter. 3.5 to 4. I'm gonna microwave for 30 seconds. The bird, and then I also rub it outside. So after I rub that, I'll go ahead and add the dry seasoning inside the bird. Go ahead and rub it all over the bird. Inside the wing. Turn it around and rub the bottom. It's all covered with seasoning. Every inch of the bird is covered. Pretty much. That's pretty much it. So rub in the bird with dry seasoning. Now, what we do is, with the melted butter, we're gonna go ahead and rub it on top of it too. Spread it all over the bird. The vegetable. is I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the cooking bag and refrigerate it overnight. So I got this oven bag. This is for the turkey. I got this in 2 bags. I'm gonna use one. So I can put the turkey inside. A lot didn't fit all inside the turkey. I'll just leave it outside. There we have it, turkey. Oh, it comes with the type, but that's okay. Let the air come out. So that's where we have marinated turkey ready to go tomorrow. So we marinate overnight. Very easy, but it's gonna be really tasty. It's seasoned with a lot of good stuff.
Which other music? Nana?
Hold on, honey. So this is our feast. Turkey, green beans, glass noodle, ham, and mashed potato. What about the pie? And the pie for dessert. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I'm very thankful for your support. If you this is the first time and you finish watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'm very happy and thankful for making this traditional Thanksgiving dish.